What are the best BuildOps alternatives for commercial HVAC in 2026? My shortlist is FieldCamp, ServiceTitan, and Simpro. Do not replace BuildOps with a cheaper calendar. Test whether equipment history, service agreements, preventive maintenance, project management, and financial control stay clean with 10 technicians become 50, 100, or 200. Let's start with FieldCamp, because this is the best BuildOps alternative when a 10-tech commercial HVAC company needs its non-standard operation to remain clean on the road to 200. FieldCamp connects the client to contacts, sites, equipments, agreements, projects, phases, and warranty claims. Equipment, agreements, projects, and phases can carry scheduled work. One facility customer can have several buildings and assets, while PM jobs stay connected to the agreement that created them. Why choose FieldCamp over BuildOps? You can change the data model, add a deficiency record, approval stage, filter schedule, or renewal workflow around your terms. At 200 technicians, branches still use the same account, site, asset, agreement, and project relationships. For flexible operational scale and AI working against that context, FieldCamp wins. When is ServiceTitan the better BuildOps alternative? When a larger contractor wants one mature platform across commercial device, residential service, and construction. ServiceTitan supports installed equipment, agreements, work orders, multi-party billing, customer portals, project financials, RFIs, change orders, and job costing. ServiceTitan also has a large integration and pro product ecosystem. Pricing is quote-led, and Dispatch Pro, Scheduling Pro, Marketing Pro, and Field Pro sit within that larger buying decision. If broad maturity matters more than keeping the system lean, ServiceTitan wins. When should a commercial HVAC contractor choose Simpro? When inventory, asset maintenance, recurring service, progress invoicing, retention claims, and project costing all matter. Simpro can schedule multiple staff and equipment, connect assets to maintenance contracts, and track estimated versus actual project costs. If you carry serious van and warehouse inventory in one materials, purchase order, labor, maintenance plan, and project margin connected, Simpro deserves a demo. For inventory and mixed service project control, Simpro wins. But honestly, BuildOps still has the best pure commercial first story. It ships with service and construction depth, real-time work in progress, project controls, and commercial ERP integrations. If that is your operation, moving may not make sense. FieldCamp is more adaptable, but it is not yet a complete native construction ERP. You can build a project spine with budgets, phases, retainage, and work orders, but mature IAA billing and deep work in progress still need configuration for a financial system. At 100 or 200 technicians, also validate permissions, integrations, reporting, migration, and enterprise support before signing. ServiceTitan has enormous breadth, but a smaller contractor can end up buying a larger platform when the actual pain is operational fit. Simpro has serious depth, but it is also structured implementation and custom price decision. On pricing, BuildOps and ServiceTitan and Simpro all require a quote. FieldCamp publishes growth at $699 per month for 10 users and scale at $1,499 for 20 users. That does not make FieldCamp automatically cheaper after migration and implementation, but it makes the starting software cost easier to value. FieldCamp wins price transparency. So here's the final ranking. Pick BuildOps if you're a commercial only and project heavy. Pick ServiceTitan if you need a mature, mixed residential, commercial, and construction ecosystem. Pick Simpro if inventory, maintenance planning, and project financial control are central. But for growing commercial HVAC, contractor that says, our operation is different and we want the system and AI to adapt to us, FieldCamp is my #1 BuildOps alternative in 2026. Compare the data model at docs.fieldcamp.ai/data model before you book another generic software demo. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.